Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time clicking on one of my videos, then hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some Michael's plant pot finds that I recently got. I had seen on Instagram that people were finding these pots at Michael's and they're on sale for 50% off. Some people's stores I think said they were 60% off, but mine was 50% off. But either way, it's an amazing deal. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got. So let's get right into the video. All right, so you guys are gonna have to run to Michael's because I don't know how long they're gonna be having this for. It kind of looked like they were trying to get rid of the section that it was in, like it was all super marked down. So I got these plant pots that have really cute phrases on them. This one says rooting for you. I think this is my favorite and I just love the color inside. It's like a turquoise. Now the only thing is I will say that the writing does feel a little bit cheapy, like it could wear off, and I say that because one of the other ones is peeling already. But whatever, they're still so cute and worth it. They're nice ceramic pots, pretty heavy, and they're originally, it looks like $9.99, and they were marked down. I actually have the receipt here to let you guys know the exact price I paid for them. So this was $9.99 and it was 50% off, so it came out to $4.24. I actually got an extra 15% off on top of it for being a student or teacher, so that's an amazing price. So I did pick up one in each phrase that they had. So this one says rooting for you, and it's like it's not green, it's like a turquoise. And then I got this one and it's pink inside and it says let love grow, which I really love this one actually. This might be my favorite, I'm not sure. I like them all. And then this one says I wet my plants, and this is the one that's peeling a little bit. So it was already peeling when I got it at the store, but I decided to pick it up anyways because all the ones that said I wet my plants were peeling off and I really wanted one. So I figured I'll just Sharpie or something, figure out a way to get it back on there if it does happen to peel off. But yeah, that's this one. And then the last one says talk dirt to me. Actually, I love this one too, so it's really hard to pick just one. This one has the yellow inside. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I think they're so cute and I had to pick them up. So they're like the spring collection, so that's why they're all super colorful. I'm going to style this on, I know exactly what shelf I want to put it on. I have this shelf that's a little bit bare, not really bare, I'm lying, it's not bare, but I think I could style them really cute on there. So stick around for the end of the video to see how I style those. All right, so next up, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna style this behind me, it is this planter, and I've seen people have these, and when I've looked on Etsy and stuff to buy them, it's like a Greek goddess head. They're like hundreds of dollars, like I'm not even kidding, like a really nice one. And I like this style. It's a little farmhousey with the distressing, but it's like stone and it's got some black accents on it, and I just really like it. It's nice and deep actually. I'm definitely not going to plant anything directly into this, but I will put like a nursery pot into it. Like, I'm not going to do this one, but I want it to look something like this. You know what I mean? This is just my elbow syngonium. Oh, that needs to be watered. Absolutely love it. And so this I know I'm going to place probably right here. I just think that's gonna look so good with a big full plant coming out of it. I might do like a pothos or something so that it looks like her hair. We'll see. Still gonna figure out what I'm gonna put in it, but I had to get this. And when I picked this one up, I was so nervous because I usually don't like to spend a lot of money on pots. I'm super cheap, and it was $30. So I knew it was gonna come down to $15, which I still think is a lot of money. Like, I'm so cheap, you guys. So I still wasn't sure if I should get it, and I ended up doing it, taking the plunge and getting it. And then I realized when I was paying that I get that extra 15% off. So it came out to $12.74. So that is a price I will definitely happily pay for. All right, so lastly, I got these two pots, and they're so farmhouse style, but they look like this. I got two different sizes. Maybe one's like a 7-inch and this one's like a 4-inch maybe. So it looks like this. Tell me what you guys think. I really like it. It's very farmhousey, but I actually think this would be really cute in an outdoor garden. So that's kind of my idea, to put it on the balcony. But I'm actually in my house now, and I just love this one so much. It's so cute. So I'm probably gonna keep this one inside and maybe take this one outside. But I honestly haven't decided yet. I'm gonna figure out where I want to style them. But yeah, Isn't it cute? I love it. And it's got this beautiful stone. It's very heavy. So this little one was, oh wow, I didn't even look at the price. It was only $6.99. And let's see, it came down to $2.97. I should have gotten more. Oh my god. I probably should go back. They have amazing deals. I didn't even look at these prices. So the big one was $12.99 and that came down to $5.52. So you guys better run to Michael's. This is not sponsored. This is not paid for at all. I love finding good deals. And as soon as I heard about this deal on Instagram and a few people on YouTube doing it, I definitely had to check it out for myself. I didn't think it was true, but it is true. Go down there, get these pots. They're amazing deals. I'm pretty sure they're just gonna have them until they sell out. So I'll try to post this video like as soon as possible so you guys can actually have time to go get it. Make sure you go check out Michael's if you want to get these, and let me style these a little bit around my home and share with you guys where I decide to put them. So for now, I just have this golden pothos in here. I do have some longer ones, but they're in bigger pots, so I may try to down pot them so I could fit them in here. Just to make it look a little bit fuller, but I love it. I think it's so cute, and I've always wanted a planter like this, so the fact that I finally have it just makes me so happy. And then let me show you guys the other ones. And then I have this plant shelf right here, and the bottom was kind of bare, so now I have just a few of these little baby plants in these planters. They're pretty small. They fit up to a 4-inch pot inside, so just take that into consideration. But I have just a Scindapsus pictus here that's kind of a little wonky that I need to work on, and a little baby Syngonium that has such a cute little leaf. I've got my Moonshine Sansevieria. That one's actually available for sale on my Etsy shop if anyone's interested. And then I have a Monstera Adansonii propagation right there. But I think it looks really cute. I didn't really have any plants down here before, so my whole shelf is very like full. So I feel like it's a boho type of look, which I love. So now the bottom looks full and it's just perfect. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you don't mind just taking a quick second to giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comment down below. You could just say plant pots in the comment, but leaving a comment and liking my video really helps the YouTube algorithm push out my videos so that more people can find them, and that really helps me out a lot. If you have time, definitely do that before you leave here today. Don't forget to subscribe as always for planty content twice a week, every single Thursday and Sunday for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.